I've been a fan of technology since young, and I realized that there are different roles in the security industry that relates to technology such as biometric and facial recognition, so I took interest in the course. Also, the Work-Study Diploma not only provides me with academic knowledge, it also provides me with real-life experience and a salary too. As a hands-on person, I feel like the course is ideal for me. The program is structured such that there will be 2 months of study followed by 4 months of work, and it rotates like this throughout the 2.5 years. This way, school does not interfere with work and vice versa, and my supervisors at SkillsFuture are encouraging and support my schoolwork. I think it stems from personal motivation to want to do well, so I am able to better balance both commitments. I get to move out from my classroom setting and put my academic knowledge into real-life working experience. At SkillsFuture, I rotated across several different departments such as Engineering Service Center and Maintenance, so that I'm exposed to different technologies and gain a lot of learning opportunities. And of course, because of the Work-Study Diploma, I am able to secure a job here in SkillsFuture. I would not have gained real-life working experience this early and at the same time attain my academic qualifications. I know of some friends who had to take the longer path because they are focused on studying for a few years before going to work. But for me, I managed to complete both in 2.5 years, so I recommend anyone who's interested to join me.